Hi everyone, so today we're going to solve Leetcode problem number 238, product of array except cell. The problem statement is given an integer array nums, return an array answer such that answer of I is equals to the product of all elements of nums except number of I. So basically you'll have to return the result, like the resultant array will be product of all the numbers in an array divided by the number at the particular index. Okay. And the most interesting constraint in this question is this one. You must write an algorithm that runs in O of n time and without using the division operation. So in the absence of that, what we could have done is could have just simply took the product of all the elements in an array and we could have just simply divided that with the number at a particular index, right? Like in this condition, just take the product of all the elements and divide that with each element one by one. Okay, and we could have got the results. But with the constraint, the best and the easiest approach what I could have thought of was similar to using the postfix sum and prefix sum approach. To give you an idea, what I want to do is, let's say we have one, two, three, and four as our elements. Okay, so our in prefix product, let's say prefix product, what I'll be doing is let's say I have one additional element over here at the start and s. Okay. So the first index will be the product of these two, which is 1. Okay. Then for the second element, you'll have to multiply the element with the previous index number of this array, right? So 1 into 2 will come over here. Okay. 1 into 2 will get there. Similarly, 3 into 2 will end up over here. Similarly, 4 into 6 will, okay. So this is the prefix product. Similarly, for postfix, we'll do the exact same steps, but the other way around. Okay. So 4 into 1 is 4. Then 4 into 3 will be 12. 12 into 2, 24. And 1 into 24, 24. Okay. So once you have both the arrays with you, you can just simply do the multiplication for each index. For example, let's say I'm taking any random index. So let's say index was 2. Okay, this was the index. So the product of all the elements before the index was 2, right? So 2 into the product of all the elements after this index, that was 4. It should have been 8, right? So if we go to our example again and see, oh, sorry, and see, like at the second index, we are getting 8 as a result. Okay, so this was the approach which I'll be using. But we can further simplify this. Instead of using these two arrays together, we can do the same in a single array. Like I'll prepare my prefix array as we have done in this case. But for the postfix, what I'll be doing is I'll be just simply doing the calculation in the same array. Okay. So let's go to the code and I'll explain on the group. Okay. Um, yes. What I want to do over here is first I'll check if we even have anything in the array or not. If not, I'll just simply return 0. Okay. Next thing, which, Next thing which I would love to do is I'll create the array in which I'll be doing all the calculations. Okay, so this is the array. And remember, we had those extra ones at the starting and the end of the arrays, like the given array. So to do that, I will use additional this variable. And now we just simply have to run a loop on the index of the given array. Okay. And what we'll be doing is we are preparing prefix product, right? Prefix product array right now. So to do that, result of index is what is will be equal to the current element into the prefix element. Correct? Now I will update my prefix element with the num. Like it will be prefix into is equals to prefix into nums of index. Right? This is it. And similarly for the postfix as well, I'll be just iterating through the array in the reverse order. So to do that, range nums -1. I want to go till the zeroth index and I want negative steps. Okay. And similar to this, like result of index will be like every will be into postfix. And wait, I think I'm and postfix will get updated to postfix into nums of index. Yeah. So the resultant will be stored in the result array, and we just simply have to return the results now. Okay. So, yeah. So the test cases got passed successfully. Let's submit for further evaluation. Yeah, like the submission got accepted, and we outperformed 99.771% of the submitted solutions. So thanks, guys, for watching the video, and stay tuned for the upcoming ones. Thank you.